Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
This video shows how to change the fingerprint symbol on Android and iOS devices. First, back up your current lock screen and fingerprint settings to cloud. Make sure you have at least 50% battery or plug into power before starting. On Android, use Settings Security Fingerprint to edit the icon or animation. On newer phones, download a third-party launcher or theme with a custom icon pack. On iPhone models with Touch ID, change wallpaper and assistive touch to alter symbol presentation. Start with settings and navigate to security or biometrics on most Android phones. Remove old fingerprints, then register a new print to refresh the fingerprint icon state. For custom icons, install a launcher like Nova or Launcher and apply an icon pack. Adjust overlay size using launcher settings. Typical icon sizes are 48 to 72 dp. If your phone supports animations, replace the fingerprint animation file in root or theme folders. Reboot the phone to ensure new icons and animations load correctly into system cache. On iPhone models with Touch ID, options are limited without jailbreak or developer tools. Change wallpaper and enable assistive touch to visually mask the fingerprint symbol on lock screen. For advanced customization, use AltStore or a trusted unlocking tool to sideload a custom theme. Always export and save any modified system files and maintain a full backup sized 8 to 16 GB. If you jailbreak, be aware of warranty loss, security risk, and potential data exposure. After changes, test fingerprint unlock, Face ID, and PIN to confirm device access remains reliable.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.